Pick My Mentor is an amazing initiative to bridge the gap between students and alumni. So, what inspired you to create such a platform, and what are the other goals that you have set for Pick My Mentor?
Right, right. So, Pick My Mentor. Pick My Mentor is a solution to provide one-on-one mentorship to current undergraduate students. Currently, pickmymentor.in we have rolled out for NIT Trichy, and in future we focus to roll it out for all the colleges in India. That is a long-term goal, and if possible, we might extend it to postgraduate students also. So that is a long-term goal. Coming to what led me into this, so my personal background is I belong to a small town in Rajasthan, and there is kind of a communication skills gap between people who come from metropolitan cities and people who come from small towns when we enter into the college. And more often than realized, we do not work on this while being in the college, and we do not work on this from placements point of view, and we suddenly realize it when companies start coming in third year of your college, that okay, I have worked on my GPA, I have worked on my internships and everything, I have done some good projects, some practicals, but I have not worked on my communication skills. So, and so this is something that motivated me to help those who to help the people who might face the same problem that I faced when I was in third and fourth year. Secondly, in pandemic, when I was talking to so I am sort of in charge of mentoring in my office, and when people recent graduates came out of campus in 2020 August, when they joined my company, I realized that that gap was still not fulfilled, and they were really afraid of talking to clients and everything. So, and current third and fourth year people were reaching out to me, ki, sir, this company is coming tomorrow, can you please help me with it? So given all this history of my background and everything, we started conducting these sessions for NIT Trichy, wherein the sessions were aimed for the entire campus, entire departments and everything. But what we realized that there were some specific personalized questions of each and every students which we want to cater to, and that is when we started this one-on-one mentorship program for all the students that are there in NIT Trichy, and we might expand it to all the colleges in India. So it is a really simple platform where you can just go filter out your mentors and just book their calendar on the basis of their availability. So yeah, that was the motive, to cater not only just the top 5%, which generally different consultancy firms do, but the lowest 20% also, because in pandemic the peer interaction also is reduced to a great extent. People do not know their classmates, their batchmates, forget about seniors and juniors. So having a connection with your alumni will grow your network, will grow your knowledge, and that was the sole motivation behind that.